Alright, I have my fanny pack and I'll show you what's in there. I have a little solar power bank. This is my Be-Free water bottle with a hydro pack, and a headlamp is inside here. It is a rechargeable headlamp, so the batteries in the house right now are getting charged up. I brought a book along to work on when I'm sitting around waiting for Brad to finish his bike ride shuttling us. In this pocket is where my phone goes in and out on this cord around my neck, and so I can take pictures. And then I have my emergency whistle right here, and in this pocket is a knife. In this pocket I have a compass, a bag of rope, paracord, and some gloves with full fingers. And in this pocket I have fingerless gloves and sunscreen. And in this pocket I have my medical directive, my Bic lighter in a waterproof container, and an emergency blanket. Snack can fit in any of these pockets, so I don't have that packed yet. So that's in my life jacket, and then all of these things will be inside of this dry bag. And then in this bag I have a merino wool hat. Oh, this is another pocket knife that I'm contemplating not bringing because I have plenty of different knives along. I have the knife that's in the life jacket, and I also have this knife right here that will go on my belt. And then I have some bug spray. I have my glasses case with a cloth to dry them off. I have a ferro rod and a little piece of paracord. Carabiner. This little fire kit with some cotton balls with Vaseline, which aren't my favorite, but I have them, so why not? And then 2 little fire plugs, which work way better. Some chapstick for multi-purpose, a little pocket bellows, and a Bic lighter with duct tape on it. Medical directive. This is a selfie stick, which I probably should be using to take this video. This is a waterproof bag with 2 snacks and an emergency radio and another carabiner. I have lots of carabiners. Here's another one. Probably could cut down on some of these carabiners. And then this is another carabiner and a single wall stainless steel water bottle. So that's the stuff that will be with me either in my life jacket or at my feet.